Securing loads or cargo is very important when transporting items. Whether on a bike, in a vehicle, or on a trailer, you don't want things moving around as they could cause damage or even injury. Builders have a wide range of strapping options to suit your needs. Bungee straps, high quality braided propylene and nylon ropes, cam buckle tie downs, and heavy duty ratchet tie downs. Some options even come in these reusable eco-friendly cases. Now with these options you can tie down small lightweight objects with bungee straps or much larger heavy objects with ratchet straps. The bungee straps don't carry load ratings as they're only intended for small lightweight objects, whereas the ropes and tie downs have load ratings to suit your load. From ropes with an 88 kg load rating up to around 300 kgs, cam buckle straps from 100 kgs up to around 140 kgs, and ratchets that can hold a load of up to 2.5 tons on these big ones. The cam and ratchet straps are easy to use. Feed the strap through the bottom of the cam buckle and pull tight, or feed the strap through the ratchet slot, pull the slack out, and then crank it tight. Release by pushing the button on the cam buckle or pulling the lever on the ratchets. All these strapping options are tested according to regulations, but always take care and read all the instructions carefully. A good tip is to always overrate the strapping option that you choose according to your weight. That way it won't fail. Now remember, these are just some of the strapping options available at Builders, in store or online at builders.co.za. And for more videos like this, visit the blog on the website. Get to Builders, get it done.